Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on. So you've seen the title of today's video. Today I'll be sharing with you guys an easy and affordable way to hang a backdrop for your YouTube videos or for your Instagram videos. You know, for persons who create a lot of content, this will be very useful to you. In this video, we'll be hanging a backdrop without a backdrop stand because, you know, we ain't spending no bag of money. We ain't spending no bag of money. Yeah, so we'll be hanging a backdrop on this wall that you see behind me. So I'll be showing you guys how to hang it. Before I go any further, please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it and a thumbs down if you don't. Hopefully you like the video, and also comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think of this video, if it was useful and how it helped you. This is fabric, so I'll be showing you how I use this to create a backdrop and also what I use to hang it up. So this is self-adhesive hooks, comes in pack of 6. So as you can see, some are already taken from the pack. So I'll be showing you guys how to stick it on the wall. So it comes with a sticker on it, so you remove it. Where I live in Jamaica, so my wall is very hard. If you live in the US, you have a dry wall, so you can use tacks. Just push it into the wall and you can hang the material on the tacks. So that the adhesive does not stick to the dirt, because if it's dirty then it will fall off after a period of time, right? This wall is clean enough, so I'll be going ahead and I'll be sticking these to the wall. So you want to stick it as far up as possible. That the material is able to reach the holes. You want to put some holes in it, so I went ahead and put just a tiny hole in mine. So you can use a little scissor, or you can use something sharp to put a hole or punch a hole into the material. Okay, so now I'll be going ahead and I'll be putting the material on the hook. So this is how it looks. In order to not have it swinging like that, we're going to use 2 more adhesive clips and hang the bottom of it so it gives a stretched nice look. The best material to use when you're doing this backdrop is to use something stretchy like mine. If you use something stiff, then you might find that most of the time you'd have to iron it out because it will leave wrinkles, especially when you fold it up. So use something stretchy that you don't have to iron it every time that you're going to do a video. Right. So I'll be removing the sticker from the back. This is how the backdrop looks now. So what I have to do is to adjust my camera so that I have a nice view for this backdrop. So I'll be adjusting my camera to show you guys the results and how it looks. Okay guys, so this is the result of the backdrop. I think it's a nice color, it really fits my skin tone. This is an easy way of hanging a backdrop. It doesn't have to be expensive and it really looks nice. It really gives a pop to your videos and it takes out all that background. Sometimes we have like windows and doors in the background, so you can totally erase that just with cheap material. This is even good also for like Instagram pictures. You know, at home Instagram pictures, you can take some very nice pictures. Okay, so to remove this is very easy. You don't even have to take the sticker off the wall, so you can always have it up there for your next video. So what you're going to do is to remove it from the hook like this. And you leave it like that. So the next time you're going to, you can leave it like that because it hangs on the hook. So the next time you are going to create a video, you can just easily attach the material back to the hook and then you start creating the video. So this was very easy and this was very useful. Alright guys, thank you for creating this very easy studio setup with me at home. It was very easy and affordable. Don't forget to comment in the comment section what you think of this video. Like and share this video with your friends. As I said, you don't have to spend a lot of money on buying a background stand to create your content. And for new YouTubers, this is so easy for you guys. So I hope this was very useful. When I just started my channel, I did not know of this thing here. So this is like a nice studio setup. You don't need an expensive backdrop stand and all of that. I hope this video was useful guys, and until next time, keep blushing with me. Bye. Thank you for creating this very easy